Can you imagine what that sounded like to her? That's the sound of grace. That's the sound of grace. One by one. It says from the oldest to the youngest. Why? The oldest first? I don't know. Maybe the older we get, the more we realize how great our sin is. But from the oldest to the youngest, they dropped their stones. All we know for sure about what he wrote on the ground was that it was very powerful, that it convicted them, and they dropped their stones. But there was one man. There was one man that was there who had not sinned, who could cast that first stone. And that was Jesus. Jesus could have thrown that stone. He was the only one who truly had the right to condemn her